Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change name in Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change name in Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle. At the bottom right, tap on it, and from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here again tap on the account center at the top of the screen. And over here again guys, tap on the profiles and tap on your account, and over here you can see your name option. Tap on the name and you'll be able to change your name over here. So let's edit it, and you can see it says you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So after reading that information, enter your name and tap on the save button at the bottom of the screen. You can see guys over here, and the moment you tap on the save button over here, your name will be changed on Instagram. And there guys, this is how to change name on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.